of BitMEX.
Just match trades. I mean, it's interesting. Dan made the correlation between, and it's a great business, I'm sure they're killing it, but he made the correlation between is now gambling being legal going to hurt? I mean, in a lot of ways, what you're doing there, you're the man, I'm not bringing the guest back, but he's the middleman of people gambling, basically, which is fascinating. Right. And again, don't underestimate.
As long as a transaction happens, you make money.
So here's the irony. One of the reasons why crypto traders love it is because they're inefficient markets. There is enormous volatility, and there's been a lack of price see-through. That's how you make money, or at least that's how you can make money, as long as you're on the right side of the trade. So if you think about institutional players getting involved, that should start to go away in a regulatory environment. The efficiency of these markets should be enormous, and a lot of people who want blockchain don't want it for the volatility. And you call store of value this and that. That's one of the big debates that's out there.
Tell you what I loved hearing. Arthur's a brother from another for me right now, and for you, I hope, because the whole idea of this being a derivatives opportunities here, and your limited risk to buying something that you think is going to go fly into the upside. I mean, it's the options world that we work in right now. With liquidity.
I'm kind of more in Tim's camp. I mean, this is my very solid belief that it is gambling that doesn't have regulatory framework, and we're just talking about gambling that's existed forever.
And people want
sport.
that.
I know, but I think right now when you're thinking about the volatility, there's a lot of stuff going on. Remember stock trading before Reg FD, that sort of thing. There's information arbitrage that's going on, and I think there's very few people that have all the information in the crypto space right now. So to me, I think it's
still true.
Well, I'm just saying, it's a bit of a rigged game. Okay, so we could never go out to somebody and say you should trade at 100 times leverage, and even if you're risking what you're willing to lose, what are you basing it on? A feeling, a gut? You wake up this morning, Bitcoin's going back above 10,000. I don't know, maybe.
Well, and it seems to me, and Arthur's didn't sound like he was that convicted to call 50,000. He cares more that there's enormous volatility in a sector where his company is well positioned to do it. But that almost seems to be the story. The story is that at least for a couple of core vehicles that people can play that trade actively, let it rip.
He's sucking me in right away.
Maybe part of the story is the picks and shovels as opposed to the end product.
That's the
right. I mean, in terms of investing in this space,
he's got the picks and the shovels.
Right.
No, but he's not mining for gold.
He's
not mining for gold. And what he said, he doesn't even care if it gets to 50,000.
Yeah, but there's no exchanges in the U.S. that are allowing people to do 100 times leverage for good reason. They know that our regulators would be all over that in a half a second.
Probably would never be. Also.
That's right, Mel.
So I kind of went into my opinion of doing these kind of trades in the previous video. What I do want to focus on instead is to kind of talk about different trading strategies. Unfortunately, in the YouTube world, man, there's a lot of scam artists, and I'm definitely trying to be not one of them. If you don't know anything about me, first off, I'm wearing these sunglasses because I don't even know if this video is going to get flagged or not. I am just doing this for fun. I actually am not getting any payment from YouTube. I am not getting they have like a backlog right now for producers. So it's funny that we have over 10,000 subscribers. We have some videos with 40,000 views, and I get 0. And I'm okay with that because I'm just doing this so I follow the market. I can pass them some advice. And if you've watched my real estate videos, my main interest is to eventually create a security coin to do real estate investments and to network. And I want to buy real estate all over the United States and also all over the world. So I feel like this is a great platform to kind of just get a following and kind of collaborate with people that have a like-minded mindset. So in my personal opinion is that you got to be careful because there's just a lot of people that prey on the weak and have superior information. So when you're putting your money into crypto, especially when you're doing leveraging or day trading, do you really think you're smarter than robots or these big institutions? I mean, you are really, you might as well, like I said, it's, I make fun of people that buy lotto scratchers because you know the exact odds of how bad a lotto scratcher is. And the return on investment is a joke. That's why they call it a tax on the poor. And unless you have superior knowledge, trying to do any kind of crazy day trading or leverage trading, it's the same mindset as someone that does like fantasy sports or goes to a casino and gambles thousands of dollars. Or like I said, there's so many ways for you to get ripped off with your money, and day trading is one of them. Now, obviously, if you have superior knowledge, which please start a YouTube channel and pass it on to us, because we would love that. But it's just the wrong mindset, and just be very careful, because unfortunately in YouTube, there's a lot of YouTubers that are here to make a quick buck, give you shitty information, and push, you know, whatever product they're trying to push because they're going to make some sort of money off of it. So I highly feel like if you don't have a good idea of this crypto market, or you're watching my videos and half the stuff they're talking about, it just doesn't make sense to you, just give it time, man. I mean, you're not going to learn. Like, Rome was not built in one day, and educating yourself about cryptocurrency, real estate, stocks, anything, it's not going to happen in one day. And the best thing you can do is be very conservative and very, very frugal in the beginning until you've invested for like a year, you've taken some losses, you're okay with the losses, and then you move forward. So I'm sorry to kind of go on a rant like this, but stuff like this, and like I said, I see on my comments too, just always like people just publishing stupid scams. And like I said, it sucks because there's always going to be some idiot that will click on the link, lose some money, and obviously they take that money and then they go hire more bots or whatever and publish more BS. But be very careful out there, especially in the crypto market, if you do not have a solid understanding of this. And the main goal of this channel is just to educate you guys on the news, give you guys some opinions, comments, analysis, and to throw in some real estate videos if you're interested in real estate, occasional stock market, bonds, that kind of stuff. So anyways, let me know your thoughts. I created a bunch of videos with these sunglasses, and I don't even know if they're going to get flagged, but if they don't, leave your comments, and if they do, I was just having a good time. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys soon.